Ooh, I thought my car was clean. Ay, 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 ay. This accessory fits in front here. Hello guys, Temu has sent me this nice vacuum cleaner for the car. It's charged by USB-C, very tiny but still very powerful, and I got it to review it on my YouTube channel. Temu has provided me with a code which you can use in the search field of the Temu app. Then you will get 1000 NOK of coupon bundles. That is nice to know. If you are new to Temu and you download the Temu from the link below or the QR code, then you will get this very nice vacuum cleaner for half price. 119 krona. That is extremely cheap. And remember guys, it's always free shipping and free return on all items from Temu. So there is no risk of buying this one and try it out. So, let's start by a quick unboxing. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay. One pointy tube and one, I guess this is the suction. And yeah, this is a broom. I think it's called a broom. Kost. And look at this. It has some kind of protection over here. Let's see if I can get that one off. Look how cute. USB-C. Okay, let's test the charging speed. This is the vacuum cleaner and this is the USB-C. And here we have the wattage. Ooh, 5 watts. That is excellent. That was way over my expectation. You can see there is a charging lamp inside here. It's a red LED. This one will be green when the charging is finished. That is nice. I like USB-C. Manual. And a plastic bag with, they mention, USB-C charging cable. Looks nice. This accessory fits in front here. Nice with this brush. And you can adjust this one in steps. There are some steps. Is it possible? Yeah, hopefully you can see that. Ah, click. A little difficult with one hand. Click. Yeah, you got it. Then you can adjust the brush length, different sizes. Amazingly clever. And let me show you this one. This one is the blower function. You put it inside here and you twist it until it clicks in and then lock it. Okay, then to the test. Okay, I think that one was really good. And to open it, you just twist it. Okay, this is how it looks like. And inside here you have a nice, oh, that was overexposed. But anyway, there's a nice lip tab to put your finger in. Then you can open and see. And I thought my car was dust free. That is excellent. This one is definitely staying in my car from now on. The filter, you can wash it in water. According to the manual, you are supposed to clean it, also the filter, in water and dry it afterwards. So let's try to clean it. Well, that did go quite well, I think. So you can reuse it as many times as you like. What a fantastic piece of equipment. Let's test this dust blower. I have an old computer. This will be perfect to blow in the inside. Let's do and test it. Let's test this blower function on this old computer. And let's add some lights, shall we? Okay, let's see if it's working. Oh my god, look at this! The brush can be used by itself only also. It's very handy. Look at this. It's like new again. Okay, now I have been vacuumed for a few minutes and let's see what we find inside there. Ooh, I thought my car was clean. Ay, 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 ay. Look at that. And that just 1 minute of cleaning. Fantastic. Let's see if it can be vacuumed back up into the cleaner again. Works like a dream. Fantastic piece of vacuum. And you can of course charge it with USB in your car, which also works excellent. Where do you put it when you're done? In the glove box, of course. So there you have it, guys. This tiny little vacuum. You get it for a very cheap price if you are new to Temu. Like I told you in the beginning, use my code and yeah, I think this is a keeper. I will at least keep it in my car. So yeah, hope to see you next one, guys. Thanks for watching again.